Good morning, kids. How are you? So, today we are going to do one new topic, that is sentence rearranging. Means you have to rearrange the words, that is jumbled words, and make a meaningful sentence. As you know, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, that makes a sense. So we have to write the words in a correct order so that it will be having a sense which makes sense. So I'm going to tell you how to do it. So here I'm going to ask you questions and you have to give me the answers. Okay, so how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters, that is A to Z. You all know it. Okay, then vowels, you know, consonants. There are 21 consonants, 5 vowels. Then here I'll write some letters. You have to tell me, you just have to make a word out of these with these letters. ELABACN. This is C. So okay, I hope some of you have made one word from these letters. Okay, so here is the answer: balance. So balance is the word which we had to make from these letters. Now I'm going to write one sentence. Ram is an intelligent boy. So is it a correct sentence? Yes, it is a correct sentence because it makes sense. So this is a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Now I'm going to write some words here and you have to make a meaningful sentence. So now this is a sentence in a jumbled form. You have to make a sentence. So first of all, subject, we'll see subject, that is Rahul. Rahul is plucking a flower. Oh, already written. So Rahul is plucking a flower. This is a declarative sentence that Rahul is plucking a flower. So first of all, we have to see who is doing. The doer we write, then we write helping verb, then we write verb, and then the object. So this is a declarative sentence we have made from these words, but we can make interrogative sentence also from those words. That is Rahul plucking a flower? Question mark. So we can make an interrogative sentence also. So I hope you have understood how to frame sentences in a correct order. So I'll be showing you some examples first, and then I'll be giving you exercise that you have to do in homework. So here it is. So here you can see rearranging jumbled words to make sentences. Now there are words that are makes, spider, web, the, so the sentence will be, first of all, who makes a web? The question you have to ask from yourself, that who makes a web? So that the answer is the spider. So you write the subject, that is doer, the spider. First letter should be capital in a sentence. Then verb will come, that is makes. As the spider is singular, so we have to write makes. As we have to add in the verb a verb, then full stop. Next is I knew a toothbrush need to buy. So who need to buy? I. The subject is I. So I need to buy a toothbrush, but toothbrush is new here. So I need to buy a new toothbrush, full stop. Now I'll give you some examples. Quickly make it. So here are the jumble words. Quickly make the correct sentence. Then I'll show you the answer of it. So plan knows he the about nothing. It doesn't make any sense. Now this is the correct sentence, that is he knows nothing about the plan. So and full stop. First letter is capital and there is a full stop. This is a declarative sentence which makes sense. Now this is another one. Did doctor what say the? Here you can see WH word is here. The word from WH family, so that will come first, and it's an interrogative sentence. That is, what did the doctor say? Then at last question mark, because it's an interrogative sentence. The next is awkward she is. So here who is awkward? So she, here pronoun is there, that we write in subject, that is she. So she is awkward. So is, here is a verb. So she is awkward and then full stop. So this is declarative sentence again. Next is I baseball the belong team to. So it doesn't make any sense. So rewrite the sentence in the correct order. That will be I belong. I belong to which team? To the baseball team. And at last full stop. So this is also a declarative sentence. Now again, address your what is. So what you can see over here, there is one word what that belongs to WH family, and we use it to frame questions. So that is, what is your address? So and at last question mark we have to put, because this is an interrogative sentence. Now move on. Like here you can see contraction forms are here. In B, I'll means I will, you in a second. So here I will be with you in a second. So here contraction forms, the words are there. Then mistakes afraid to when English be make don't speaking. So it doesn't make any sense. The correct sentence will be don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. So this is imperative sentences. So in this way you have to write with don't. Now freezes degrees centigrade at water 0. So it will be water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade and full stop. So in this way you have to frame sentences in a correct order. Now one more example is there. Very tired look you. It's confusing. So you look very tired. We say that to someone, if somebody is looking tired, so we say you are looking very tired. But here we say you look very tired. Dikhte ho. That is this one. In this way we have to write. The empty box almost is. So of course you start with the box is almost what? That is empty. So I hope you have understood how to make sentences. Now this is the exercise. Rearrange the words to form complete meaningful sentences. Here I have written meaningful sentences because a sentence is a group of words, again I'll say, that makes a complete sense. So here jumble words are there. You have to write sentences of it. Like first is very is hot it, and question mark is there, so it means you have to make interrogative sentence. So it will start from the helping verb, that will be is it very hot. So in this way you have to make sentence. Like question mark is there, so keep it in mind. You have to make interrogative sentence, not the declarative one. So as it is, next is dress I new have a, so full stop is there, so you'll say I have a new dress. Now this is your homework, another one. These 10 sentences you have to do in homework. So I hope you'll be doing it, and I'll be waiting for your homework. Show it to me, these but write question also. First write question and then answer, so that when I'll check, I'll write your mistakes that in. So I hope you have understood and do it quickly. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.